Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is April weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? The messages for Pisces. I think you are trying to stand by your power. You want to work on yourself. And Queen of Swords energy. Maybe you are in some confusion state. And you want to stand by your power. But you are struggling. But you will achieve. It will take some time. First you have to take your control back. Then you will stand by your power. It will happen. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Judgment, 10 of Cups and 3 of Swords. So in recent past, you made some decision regarding your life or regarding your relationship. There was some decision made by you and you are heartbroken in past. 3 of Swords. Maybe your separation with your person. For some, there are disturbances between both of you. For some, there is on and off connection. Maybe no contact. But for some, you already made a decision regarding this relationship. Maybe it was very painful for you, but you have to make. Why? Because you want this happiness in this relationship, but it was not happened. So you made some decision in recent past about decision making. Then present 10 of Wands, Queen of Cups and Page of Wands. So you feel right now you are busy with your work, you are overburdened, you have so many responsibilities like work pressure, family responsibilities, you're feeling overburdened. And Queen of Cups with Page of Wands, but you made some decision, maybe it was painful for you, but still you have strong emotion for your person. You are very emotional and caring person, Pisces. And Page of Wands, some communication. Maybe for some you both have age difference also. One person is very good looking in this connection. So there is some communication, some message. In future, 9 of Swords, King of Wands and 8 of Swords. So you are missing them badly. You are getting a lot of thoughts regarding them. 9 of Swords energy with 8 of Swords. You are stuck on them literally. But you are trying to taking your control back. But you will right now. Maybe in near future you will struggle to take your control back. But you will. Because right now in near future also you are feeling stuck and getting a lot of thoughts. You have to do meditation. You have to heal yourself from this energy. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy, then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, the Devil. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. Maybe they are obsessed with you. So let's see their feelings. Then we will get clarity. I think for some there is ending between you and your person. Yeah, for some the separation had happened. For some you are in no contact situation. But your person still want you back in their life. Because 4 of Wands with 6 of Wands. Even though it was ended between both of you, they're still thinking about you. They still want you back in their life. And they want this happiness with you. They are memorizing the best moments with you. They still want you back. They're obsessed with you. And 6 of Swords. Maybe they want to fix the things between both of you. There is some communication. So let's see their actions. Pisces. Eight of Cups. The World. Ten of Wands. I think you both are on the same page. Your person also busy with their work and responsibilities, and they're missing you. But you are also missing them. They are also missing you. You both are on the same page. I think you both are not talking with each other, but you both are mirroring each other. And if they walked away from you, now they have regrets. And the world, for some, the same cycle repeating between you and your person again and again. Maybe that causing a lot of resistance in this connection. Yes, definitely you both are in separation. I think right now in action wise they want you back, but to be frank they're not going to be make any action very soon. Expect some communication, you can expect, but other than I'm not seeing any proper action, to be honest with you, because the World card with Ten of Wands, they are also feeling overburdened, and but they're thinking you, they're missing about you a lot. They're missing you a lot. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Seven of Pentacles with Seven of Wands. Under the deck, Three of Pentacles. Yeah, they still want you back. They're still thinking about you. They can't let you go. They are unable to let you go. They're missing you so much, and they want to work on this relationship. Yes, they want reconciliation with you. They want to work on this relationship. But right now, Seven of Pentacles with Seven of Wands. Maybe they're in waiting mode, because right now your person is very busy, maybe hard, maybe overburdened. But Seven of Wands energy, they can't let you go. They're unable to let you go. And it's you also thinking about them a lot. You both are on the same page, guys, and you are listening to your intuition and listening to trusting your inner voice. Maybe this is a spiritual bond between both of you. And Five of Wands, yeah, you are thinking about the disturbances between both of you. There was a lot of drama in past between both of you. You both are thinking about each other, missing each other a lot. Yeah, you both are waiting on each other also, because Seven of Pentacles with Six of Swords. You both want to fix the things between both of you, but you both are in waiting mode. Nobody can making any move. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Pisces. Maybe you are now concentrating on your career. There was a lot of drama, and there is spying. Maybe one person is spying on the other on the other person on social media. Yeah, your person have love for you. They want to offer this love to you. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Yeah, Five of Wands, lot of drama, guys. Nobody can making any move, but still waiting for each other. Ace of Swords, truth coming out. Yeah, Lovers, your person want to fix the things between both of you, but why they are holding back? There is love between both of you, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini. Yeah, for some there will be some communication between both of you. Maybe your person in near future will make a move towards you, especially through communication. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Pisces. But they can't forget you easily. Two cards, emotions are running high and the energy is gaining momentum. So definitely your emotions are running high and the energy is gaining momentum. Yes, excuse me. You both are waiting for each other. You both are thinking about each other. Then also the energy will rise. Definitely the energy is gaining momentum. In near future, maybe one person will make a move, maybe call, text. You can expect. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.